Welcome to this Fixit channel, and this is a quick video for Windows 7 users. If you are on Windows 7, of course yesterday was Patch Tuesday and you've got a cumulative update. Now, a couple of weeks back, there was almost a month back, there was a first flaw that was discovered in Windows, in general, Windows all versions 7, 8.1, and 10 by Kaspersky Labs. And basically that has been reported to Microsoft and was of course fixed yesterday. Now that one was a pretty bad one, but it had not seemed to be exploited by bad guys. About a week and a half ago, Kaspersky Labs actually contacted Microsoft and said, whoa, we've just found something in Windows 7 that's extremely bad. And it's of course part of the fixes yesterday also. And this one is so bad actually that it is apparently very easy for bad guys just being online in a website that is actually has malformed code to take full control of your computer, do what they want. So it could be, stealing data, it could be putting malware of some sort or ransomware of some sort. But apparently it's actually very, very bad, and Kaspersky wanted to make sure that this was part of the fixes. It affects only Windows 7, so Windows 8.1 and Windows 10 are not affected apparently by this flaw. But Windows 7 users are, and this zero-day critical flaw is a very bad one apparently. So my video here is mostly to make sure that you update your system. I still hear from people saying, well, don't update. These updates are bad, and these updates are no good. And I still can't believe that people are saying that crap. I mean, updates are important to keep you secure. It's actually more important to have these updates than to have an antivirus, just to give you an idea. Too many people think, oh, the antivirus is the thing and it's going to protect me. No, it's not. Updates are going to protect you. The antivirus has some effect, but if you count on the antivirus to protect you, you're going to be bitten and you're going to have malware. The updates are the key to staying safe. And in this particular case for Windows 7, make sure you update to the latest updates to stay safe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.